Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saraswati. Today I am going to take you back in your childhood days when you used to listen to stories from your grandparents, maternal grandparents and parents. Why I have chosen to narrate stories? There are plethora of advantages to narrate stories. Number 1, it can improve your fluency. Number 2, it can improve your pronunciation and intonation. Number 3, it can improve your grammar. Number 4, it can improve your vocabulary. Number 5, you learn how to express emotions and feelings. So, if there are plethora of opportunities or plethora of advantages narrating a story, so why not we narrate stories to improve our spoken English? So let's start with stories to improve our spoken English. First story name is The Thirsty Crow. Once in a scorching hot day, there was a thirsty crow searching for water here and there. But he didn't find water anywhere. All the ponds and lakes were dry. Eventually, he spotted a pitcher under the tree. He pondered a lot and spotted an idea. He flew away and gathered pebbles and dropped down into the water one by one. As he started dropping down pebbles into the pitcher, the water level came. He became happy. He drank the water, quenched his thirst, and flew away happily. And he was very happy for his clever idea. Do you know what is the moral of this story? As we heard this story since our childhood, if we try for anything with a great passion and great desire, so we also find the solution for that. Where there is will, there is way. This is the moral of this story. If you have a great desire for anything, so definitely you will also find the way to reach there. My second story name is The Boy Who Cried for Wolf. Once in a village, there was a boy who got bored watching over the village sheep in the forest. He wanted to have some fun. So he yelled that he saw a wolf chasing the sheep. All the villagers came to drive away the wolf, but there were no wolf. And they told the boy not to do the same thing again. Shortly later, he again yelled that he saw a wolf chasing the sheep. Villagers came and found he was lying this time too. They returned. Later the same day, he saw a wolf sneaking amongst the flock. He jumped up and cried for help, but this time no one came to help him. They thought that the boy was joking. At sunset, when the boy didn't return with sheep, they was worried and went to the forest to search for the boy. And the boy sat under the tree and was crying. He told them there was really a wolf. There was an old man came near to the boy and told, "No one listens to a liar, even when they are honest." What is the moral of this story? If you are a liar, so nobody will believe on you. If you stuck in some bad situation and you are telling the truth, but that time also nobody will believe on you, because lying breaks the truth. Next story is Don't Change the World. Once upon a time there was a king who ruled in a prosperous country. One day he went for a trip to some distant areas of his kingdom. When he returned to the palace, he complained his feet were full of pain because this was his first trip of a long distance. He also complained the roads were rough and stony. He ordered his people to cover the entire road of his country with leather. Definitely, this would need thousands of cows' skin and a huge amount of money. Then, one of wise servants dared himself and told, "Why do you have spent unnecessary amount of money to cover the entire road with leather? Why don't you cut a piece of leather and cover your feet?" The king was surprised, and later he agreed to his suggestion and made a shoe for himself. There is actually a valuable lesson of life in this story. To make this place beautiful, we always try to change this world, but we never succeed to change. Better if we change ourselves, our mind, our heart. So there will be no need to change the world. Thank you for watching this video, and you also narrate one or two story, and you can also send me in my comment box. And if you found this video helpful, so please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends too. Thank you for your kind love and support.